the record high data of 26,632,000 SIPs that were registered.
So, Tanvi, mutual funds are really booming right now in India, especially among young investors. What do you think, according to you, is driving up this, big hike, and what is the future of mutual funds shaping up to be?
Thank you so much for that question. I think if you're seeing the recent data as well, there was a lot of news of volatility. There were a lot of not only domestic, events that were happening, but also geopolitical events. Regardless of that, we have seen mutual fund industry grow at a very, very, very substantial rise. If you take just the last 10-year data, we have grown multi-folds, almost 6 times what we had back then to what we are at right now. SIP data, the month of April, saw the record high data of 26,632,000 SIPs that were registered. And this is the highest ever data, and you're seeing this data just rise there on forth. So you're not only seeing a one-time investment coming into the Indian mutual fund industry, you're seeing a very constant, gradual increase in this particular sector. And this is all contributing to the domestic factors. You're seeing people be more aware. Mutual funds आई है, this campaign that was there, everyone knows, whether they understand what is a mutual fund or not, everyone at least is aware about, okay, there is a thing called mutual fund, इसमें पैसे डालेंगे तो कुछ तो हमारे पैसे बनेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं तो हमें एक थोड़ा सा, you'll have a percentage of equity as a part of your portfolio by having mutual fund. And that has mainly contributed to this particular rise. Other than that, there are all these apps. Now it's very investor friendly. You don't have to sign 100 papers. You don't have to go through a very complicated process. You download an app, you see the funds that you like, or if you don't even understand, you see the main funds that are there and go about with your investment journey. It's as simple as that. The third major contributor is everyone really wants their money to grow. One is, you would see your parents, they would invest in FDs. ठीक है बेटा, FD में डाल दे, हो जाएगा. But right now, is the inflation beating that number? You should have some benchmark, right? Inflation is not able to beat what FD returns are there. So if you really want your money to grow, if you really want to make impact in your portfolio, mutual fund becomes a much more easier option for people to invest in.
Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited. AMFI registered mutual fund distributor ARN 4478. Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited is mutual fund distributor. Mutual funds investments are subject to market risk. Please read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.